Hi, I'm Claudia Kiss, and this is Christina Smith, and we're from Bee Floral, which is a full event design and production firm in New York City. Today, we're going to make an Easter garland. The first step is to create the base of your garland.
First, we start by trimming small pieces of the green. And then your next step would be to take your bind wire and you're gonna make your little pieces of greens into bouquets. And then you're gonna wrap your little bouquet with the wire, just like this. And then for the next step, you'll do the same thing. You're gonna build up your little bouquet. You're gonna attach it to your first bouquet that you already have. And then you're gonna wrap it again. And you're gonna keep doing this until you get it to the length that you want. After you've made all your little bouquets and attached them together, you will create this big, nice, long garland. Next step is adding your beautiful blooms. Typically, it's better to start with your larger blooms and then adding in your accent blooms. So here we have some beautiful peony, and I think I'm gonna start with those. I'd like to trim my stem, so I'm gonna trim it about this length and on an angle because it helps the stem to drink water better.
And if you need your garland to last a longer time, we typically use water tubes. These keep the flowers fresher for longer. You just want to make sure that when you place it in the garland that you hide the water tube.
And the water tube has this nice little pick that acts like a dart, so you can get it right into your garland to make a nice setup. If you're setting up right before Easter, you don't have the time to put water tubes on or the water tubes, you could just stick the stems in.
And if you have any loose petals like this, you can just peel them off.
Yeah, or anything damaged because that just happens.
They're flowers.
Yes.
They're alive.
So typically with these blooms, I would like to space them out just to get a nice grid going. Usually it's better to work in threes or any type of odd numbers. So my next step would be to add in the ranunculus. These are absolutely beautiful and in season. Now I'm going to be adding these beautiful peach roses. Pastel colors work great for Easter, which is what we have here. And then the next element I'm going to add is a tulip.
The interesting thing about tulips is that they continue to grow after they're cut, so you might see them grow a little bit overnight.
Now I'm going to add my textural flowers. So here we have some beautiful Tweedia. Okay, another textural element, thistle.
It's kind of an unexpected texture for Easter, which I love.
Right, and I love the silvery white color. And then my absolute favorite, sweet pea. It smells so good.
Oh, I love it.
So good.
Definitely springy smell.
And this will add nice long textural pieces to it to give it some height. And we also have this beautiful grass here, which I'm going to add in for height as well.
Thanks for tuning in. We hope that you all also try to make your own Easter garland. And if you do, tag us at BeFloralNYC.